welcome to this tutorial on how to get picture-in-picture working on Nexus 6P on Developer Preview 3. This is quite simple before because all you had to do was go into settings and enable a fourth button, and code it to work on YouTube. I'll give you a quick example now. This is how it works. You probably couldn't hear me over that, but but yeah, it works quite well. And if you want to make it bigger again, you click it and it loads back up. So it's not too bad. But because they've obviously removed the option to add an extra button on Developer Preview 3, you'll have to go and get an app from the Play Store called Custom Nav. Now this app doesn't require root, but it does require you to use USB debugging. So turn that on in developer settings and then plug it into ADB and grant the app permission. So you need your computer to do that, so we'll jump over to the computer now. Right guys, now we're at the computer. Sorry for the terrible lighting, it's to try and help you see the screen. I don't know if you can do it any better, but it's going to help. So basically what you'll need is obviously developer options open so you can get USB debugging turned on this lovely little device. You'll need custom navbar app, and you'll also need to enable the permissions for it. It's quite simple, just go into settings and then you go to apps, notifications, app info, scroll down there and enable the permissions for it. So storage is needed, as you can probably not see. So then what you want to do is you want to open the app. Oh, mine's already working, but there we go. So you want to open the app, swipe across. Yours will be yellow because it won't be granted. But what you want to do nevertheless is go into ADB, open up the command window. Quite simple. If you don't know how to get ADB, there's plenty of tutorials online. I'll link one in the description for you just to help you out. I'll also put the code to doing this, the command, in the description to help you out as well, because typing it in can be an absolute nightmare, as I found out 2 or 3 times before now. So what you want to do is you just want to type in ADB shell, and then I've got the command copied here just to make it a bit easier. And then what you want to do, well actually before you do that, probably best to type in ADB devices and just check your device is connected. Once your device is connected, type in ADB ADB shell, and then you right click and click paste, because I'll put it in the description for you to copy, as I say. Then once you do that, you press it, and what will happen is it will come up green here instead of yellow, and you can swipe through past save to next. There you go, and you're finished. And then from here we'll take it back to the phone and I'll show you how to set it up properly. Okay? How to actually get it working. So you open up the custom navigation bar app, you go to navigation bar, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you've got the choice between the left and right. Personally I prefer the right. So you open that up and you click key code. Then you scroll down and you click key code, manual input, and you type in 171. Okay, right. So we've typed in yeah, it did work, didn't it? I'm sure it worked. And then you want to pick an icon. I mean, previously I used a minimize icon, but it appears to be gone in Developer Preview 3. So I've chose to use the screenshot icon, as I think it looks like a minimized picture, which I think is quite nice really for what we want to do. So once that's done, as you can see at the bottom there, you've got the button ready to use. Don't worry, I've turned the volume off this time, so I'm not going to deafen you as soon as I open a video. Right, so let's get a video up for you. Let's watch this one. Right. So as you can see, you press the bottom of the button, the button at the bottom, as it's otherwise known, and you can drag it around the screen. You can swipe it to the bottom to dismiss it. You can make it bigger, pause it, get rid of it from there. And if you go in, didn't mean to open that. If you go into the System UI Tuner again, you can get it so you can swipe this off the screen to the edge. I'll show you actually quickly before you go. It's not very useful, but I mean, if you want it, why not use it? I think it was under. It was there last it's gone. Of course it's gone. Why would it still be here? But basically, yeah, very, very good app. This I'll just get rid of that video for you. So if you want to maximise it again, you just press that again, and there we are. We're back again, and I'll just show you again. Smaller. Takes a while to load sometimes. But then you press the big X in the corner, and it's gone. Simple as. So there's quite a lot of other cool things about this app. If you buy the full version, you can theme, which I personally think is very cool, especially without root. The amount of customization you've got here is ridiculous without root. So look, you can switch them around, you can do left leaning stuff. But anyway, amazing app. Really cool that we've got picture-in-picture working again now. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.